Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly Go. It's a new tool that was just released by Grammarly, and obviously as more and more businesses are moving towards using ChatGPT, you'll see that there will be new features within existing application, and Grammarly Go is just one of them. So what does it do? Let me show you. So I've got here an existing video, just going to edit it just to show you what it does. Just say if you're typing some text, this is a video showing how to use Grammarly Go. And if you highlight the sentence, you will see that the Grammarly icon will appear, and this is Grammarly Go icon, and this is just a quick button to just improve the existing text that you selected. So let me just click on that, and you will see it at the bottom here. Just move it around and it improves that text that I selected, saying here's a video tutorial on utilizing Grammarly Go effectively. And if you like that, you can click on that. Otherwise you can do it again, improve it again. Now Grammarly Go has a free feature which gives you 100 prompts. You can choose to use the paid version, which will give you more prompts. Then you can change it to have it so that it is more persuasive, or change the tone of your text. So if you select maybe make it more persuasive, it will change it here, and then you can reinsert it and it will change it. So you can use it on a lot of the text field, and it's working on a browser because I've got up here the Chrome extension. So if you don't have the Chrome extension for Grammarly, then you will not have that icon appear whenever you type or select the text. So make sure you have Grammarly installed, the Chrome extension, or whatever specific web browser extension that you need or are using. There are different tones, so you can select the formality, casual, neutral, or formal, and you can select up to 3 tones. So let's just say personable, engaging, and then write it. Make sure you have the local language that you're writing in. So I'm based in Australia, so my writing is in Australian English, and select use this tone. You can go back and just change the tone if you needed to. And once you have this prompt as well, you can type and prompt Grammarly Go, which is probably in fact ChatGPT. Write me some text on how to improve my spelling, and let's see what that gives. And there you go. Hey there, I stumbled upon a whole video tutorial that could assist you in embracing your spelling skills. Yeah, that sounds good. You can click on delete it, or you can keep going. Add the ability to use Grammarly on any application, and let's make it sound confident. Now, okay, so that example, it basically used the previous prompt. It didn't use the existing prompt. Let me see. How do I use Grammarly Go on a document? Let's see what that gives. As you can see, the number of prompts is decreasing, and every month you'll get renewed, so you will have 100 prompts every month. Here you go. There's some text here. Now you can click on rephrase and it will rephrase it again, but remember that uses another prompt. There you go. So you've got a few options here to use. You can also use it for emails. So I'm just gonna switch over to Gmail. Okay, so in this case, you will see the Grammarly Go at the bottom right hand corner. So if you open that up, here's some ideas. Share a company update, write a cover letter. So it knows that you've opened up Gmail, and obviously you need to write an email. So you have these different prompts for email specifically. So let's write announce a new feature. What is the key feature, new product? Ability to add awesome text to emails. Let's see what that gives. Here we go. We've added a new feature, which is pretty good. You can make it more persuasive. And if you're happy with that, just insert it, and there you go. It adds that in. If you want, you can improve it and reword it, just like any other ChatGPT AI tool can improve the text. And that's it. That's how you use Grammarly Go. Hopefully this video helped you in some way. If it did, please make sure you click that bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I publish new posts. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.